Hello everyone and you're welcome. This is our YouTube channel. So this is the Learn English with Ndungute class. So today's lesson will focus on the letter names and letter sound. So today you're going to be able to distinguish between letter name and letter sound. Please kindly pay attention to this lesson because it is a root of all rest. If you don't follow, you are going to miss many things. To have a good English spoken, written, so you have to focus on this. Phonemes, and then this is the first lesson for us. We are going to give it to you today. And I hope that is going to be a blessing to you. Please turn off everything that is disruptive. We're going to disrupt you, anything that is going to bothering you, and pay attention for this lesson. This is your beginning if you want to make it better. So in English, we have 26 letters and more than 44 letter sounds. You got that? 26 letters, 44 letter sounds. Means that the English is not based on 26 letters, but also you have to know the 44 letter sounds. So these are the phonics represented by the 26 letters of the alphabet, individually and in a combination. So you can find it anywhere. That's why you are going to listen up to you're going to get this lesson. This lesson is prepared for you so that you can know the 26 letters, and after that you get shared about 44 phonemes sounds. So let's start. You know, you have held the little kids and the students keep singing the song of alphabet wrongly. So I think today is going to be your day to change it and know how it sounds. Also how they sing it and why they have to sing it in that way. To make it clear and clean, please follow. Please follow. So let's start by the letter 26 letters. As we mentioned before, English has 26 letters. So let's start by one. The first one is A, second B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's repeat together, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are 26 letters as have held. Let's go quickly. You repeat after me and go quickly. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, that's so nice. Outstanding. You have done well. So you, after that, after repeating after me, take your time, reverse it, and then it's going to be easier for you to know how you can just pronounce it very well. And if you want very well, if you want to become an English speaker and fluent, okay? So let's go with the letter sounds. So all together have said that we have only 44 phonemes. Let's discuss how we can just say it. Okay. As we have held A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now this is different. Okay. Let's go deep. For letter A, we have held, its name is A, but here is A, A, B, B, or S, D, E, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, L, P, Q, R, S, T, O, W, X, Y, Z. For the sound X, it is found at the end of the word, not at the beginning of the word. That is where, for the other ones, you can find it at the beginning of the word. That's why you have to follow again. I'm going to repeat and then you come after me, okay? Let's do it together. E, B, R, or S, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, E, Q, R, S, T, L, W, X. Yeah. Z. So very good. Very good for repeating very well. So that's how we sound letter sounds. That's the phonemes. That is where you can find them having different vowel sounds. Like when you're having the letter sound L, which is this letter O, it sounds like A, O, and U. So that's where it goes as an individually combined and differently. So what you are going to do is to repeat and repeat and repeat. Please make sure that you are following us, you are making subscriptions so as you can have these lessons daily so as you can help yourself to be enhanced in English and be well speaking English. We would like to see you having the clue of the knowledge that will